Introducing the OptiWand Pincher. Apply eye drops prior to insertion and removal for lubrication. Complete the insertion process as fast as possible to keep the lens from sticking to the wand. Use the full cup end if you have regular lenses, large fingers, or long fingernails. Use the split cup end if you have small lenses or eyes. We recommend trying both ends to insert lenses. Aim the wand at a light source to serve as a guide. Spread your eyes as wide as possible, keeping eyelashes out of the way. Focus on the center hole or contact lens. Draw to eye and twist the wand to release lens. Blink until comfortable. Soft lenses must be pinched out. Best finger pinching position is very high on the base. To practice removal, place a soft lens on your non-dominant hand's index finger. Then pinch it off a couple of times to visualize the process. Many clients make the same mistakes using the OptiWand. Please do not give up. Please read full instructions and view videos for best results. Practice and patience are a must. Creativity is encouraged. Some have discovered new ways to insert or remove lenses. Available online only.